everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Today I decided to share my roasted potato recipe. First of all, as y'all can see, I have my roast here, and I also have my seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and salt, all mixed together. And I'm going to sprinkle this on my roast. And if you want to use seasoned salt, you can. It's up to you what you want to use. Okay. Turn it over and do the same thing to this other side. Rub all your seasoning ends on the sides, because we want this meat to be well here seasoned. I'm going to flour my roast. Make sure you flour it well. To make sure your oil is hot and have heated up, you can always add a little bit of flour in there. Y'all see that sizzle? That means it's ready. Here I'm adding my roast to my hot oil. And you let this cook until it browns. Make sure it's brown on the other side. And then you turn it over and make sure it's brown on that side as well. Okay, y'all, this is my second roast that I'm browning. I have my slow cooker here. As y'all can see, this has browned as well. See, it has browned. And so what I'm going to do, let me turn the skillet off. I'm going to remove it from the heat. Okay, I have some onions here that I'm going to put in here with the roast. And I also have some potatoes. I'm going to add those to them as well. I'm trying to put the potatoes kind of under the meat a little bit, okay, so they can get some of that good flavor. Okay, and now I have some gluten-free brown gravy mix. What I'm gonna do, I don't want this as a thick gravy, so I'm gonna add more water to it. So I have 2 packages of this, and I'm gonna pour this over in there. And I'm going to add some more water to it. You can add more water or beef broth. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit more water to this gravy. Because I don't want this, let me show y'all. Can y'all see? I want this, I don't want my gravy to be too thick. Okay? Okay, that's it, y'all. I'm going to come in and check this time after time to check on it and rearrange it. I'm back. And go from open up my slow cooker here. Let's look in here and see how it looks. Y'all, this is how it looks after 2 hours. Y'all see how it's looking? I'm going to turn it over. Turn this over like that. Y'all see how it looks? Okay. Make sure everything is down up in there. The potatoes are not ready yet. See, the thing about these russet potatoes, I love using the russet potatoes because it takes a while before they get tender. So that's why I like using the russet potatoes. Just a little tip to y'all. And I also have my slow cooker on high heat. I forgot to mention that. That it's on high heat. I'm going to be back after a couple of more hours. Okay? It's been a couple of more hours. Show y'all how it looks. See, is it tender yet? No, y'all, we got a little more time to go. Y'all see that gravy? We're gonna let this cook another hour, and then I'm gonna be right back. I'm getting ready to plate this up. This is so tender. We'll try to get it out of here. My roast and potatoes. And y'all, I have plenty gravy in there. Plenty of gravy. So I just wanted to share this roast with y'all. Yes, and it is delicious, y'all. I wish y'all could taste it. Well, I'm going to get ready to close. And I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now.